Get ready to geek out on ice. Today we're putting 4 ice machines to the ultimate test. Which one reigns supreme? You've probably seen Crescent ice at trendy drink shops, but this countertop ice maker, a rare gem for homes. Let's unbox its sleek design. These translucent, bubble-free Crescents. Their solid structure melts slower, keeping drinks bold, not watered down. Why it's the MVP. Now, immersive ASMR time. 16 premium cubes per cycle Tilda DIY health drinks unlocked. Nugget Ice, Sonic Ice, Pebble Ice, Trouble Ice goes by many names. Nugget Ice, Sonic Ice, Pebble Ice. But one thing's certain, people love chewing it. That's why this crunchy, munchable ice has become a top pick for younger crowds. Raise your hand if you're like me and find the ice making process weirdly satisfying. Watch as those fluffy cloud-like nuggets pile up, so satisfying. .1 L water tank just right for easy refills. Meet the Portable Bullet Ice Maker. Many call it the crunchy ice machine, and with its budget-friendly price, it's become one of the most popular countertop ice makers for homes. It produces plump, snow-white bullet ice cubes, perfectly uniform and crunchy. Produces bullet-shaped ice cubes that are smooth, non-sticking, and ideal for cold drinks or iced coffee. does produce ice quickly 9 cubes in 6 minutes is impressive. 26 pounds and 24 HRS. 35 pounds, 16 kilograms per day, perfect for parties or daily cravings. Our smart infrared sensor detects when the ice bin is full and automatically stops the machine, saving energy while keeping your ice supply perfect. Long press. Self-cleaning mode. Cube ice. Anyone else obsessed with these? Watching the ice making process is still SO Cure Tilt. 24 PCS ready in 13 mins, 45 pounds and 24 hars. Wow, each cube looks like a piece of transparent chocolate. Now add your favorite drinks and fruits. Time to indulge.